Hey, Sammy. Listen and listen to me. Be very careful. I don't hate you.
Oh, yeah, I know.
But if you don't change your character, I'm gonna hate you for the rest of your life in this school.
Oh, no, please. Have I done anything wrong?
When I talk, you don't talk.
Okay, senior.
You remember the first day I approached you over here?
Yes, please.
You see the tone that I spoke to you?
Yes.
Very nicely. You understand?
Yeah.
I don't hate anybody. But if you try to come in cross boundaries, I'm gonna warn you and let you know your level.
That's why I'm asking, have I done anything wrong?
You've not done anything wrong. But what I want you to know is that we have only 2 camps in this school. If you want to enjoy this school and enjoy it well, it's either you join the squad or you leave. And if you can't do them, join them.
So are you talking about SU and the prayer team or?
See, if you try to provoke me, you're going to see that side of me. We have only 2 surviving teams in this campus.
Oh, okay.
Team Pentop and Team Nanake.
Oh, I just want to know.
I'm not here talking about SU or anything, spiritual or, scripture.
So, what is it about? I don't know.
Yes. So, Team K is my team.
Oh, okay. So,
and Team Pentop is the other team.
So,
it's either you join me or you don't join the other team. Don't create any team in this campus.
What is the purpose of that team?
That purpose is for you to survive here. We live good, we enjoy, we live our life. In fact, we study also. So if you want to join, join. Don't create any team in this campus. This should be your last warning.
Okay, I see.
Okay? The next time I approach you, I'm not gonna go, cool with you. Don't even assemble anybody and talk to them. You have no right to do that in this school. Who gave you that power? Who gave you the authority to do that? Watch me. If you dare me again, hey, look at my face. I could have killed a lot of people. Don't mind.
Back where are you coming from? Are you calling me sick?
Madam, Kwel, or whatever. You know something? So you know me. I'm talking to you. Why you watch my face like that?
I know you, Pentop.
You know me?
Mm-hmm.
Madam, see my face.
Are you okay?
Now they know okay if you come to move ever. Oh, the architect to what's on me. See. Man, you don't want to try and that's all I might take the swimming. When you say with him, 100%, 100%, I said, you can send it. Everybody, notice board on top of them. I'm a boko, painted the top. Then I said, Madam, see. When you compare notice board on top, maybe you hear me. First, second, one of me, the damn brother, me, I don't like that. That made me step up. Madam, I didn't mean to move board on top. Madam, see my face. Madam, look at him, watch him.
I'm surprised at you. You are a female.
I'm talking to you.
Do you deserve up?
Hey, madam.
Do you have
hey, you know the person you're talking to?
No, if you want to be on top, you have to take your books seriously. You didn't learn, you failed, and I failed you.
Look at him,
It doesn't matter.
If you from the bottom of our stomachs.
I don't
know. From our heart. And how?
You see, it's what I saw that I marked.
Okay.
That was what you wrote nonsense.
And you tell me nonsense? See, 3 questions. See you. Me, they talk. If you write the exam to what they mean, they talk.
I did it. And
They that place, I like that place. But you see, the way Nana can do for here, no. Nana can see Nana can.
you don't know.
I don't know.
Yes, examination paper the fool. He fools with you and he learns.
Hey, Nico. If you write exam, you see, you should do one.
Next time.
Yes, I say you be able to be not start now. This one is first. You don't feel more, don't say yes. You know me. Rubbish.
Really? Like seriously?
First, second, third.
Oh my God. Hi. This is getting out of hands. Like seriously, how do I even get up?
See how far they bring this.
Oh, you told me to abort this.
No. I didn't tell you to about it. I'm going to give birth.
But you told me to abort this.
No.
Oh, you have already done it.
You have already done what?
There is no yeah again.
Oh, but I want my baby.
You want my baby?
Yeah.
You told me to abort it.
Who told you?
You told me.
No, you didn't hear anything from me.
Are you not the one who gave the money to a Pento?
That ruffian guy. So you have aborted my baby?
Yes.
So
there
there's
is no yeah.
Oh, it's not true.
It's true now.
It's not true.
You
have to go and check it again.
Check what?
Because I impregnated you. Who asked you to abort it?
Then, so the pen.
Oh, it is inside my room.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Hey, madam.
How are you doing?
Fine, thanks.
I saw you speaking with that girl, Luby.
He was just asking me for pen.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I think I overheard something.
Oh, no. He was just asking me for pen.
Can you imagine that they pushed me to the ground? She and her squad.
What?
Yes.
Are you sure they push you?
Of course.
Oh, then I'll deal with them.
Oh, madam.
Tomorrow, I'll call them.
You better do something about it. They are getting out of hand.
Okay.
Well,
okay.
I'll be waiting.
Okay.
All right.
Like, I want to tell you something. What about something.
What has something done again?
Be careful about something.
Why are you saying that?
Because I see Samuel is very humble. Like, I think he's pretending to be humble. Meanwhile, it's not like that. So be careful about him.
Why do you think that? Has he done something for you? Suspecting or something?
No, he hasn't done anything. But from his facial expression, I think he's not that humble as we see. So be careful about Samuel.
You don't know him. He's a very calm person. To be honest, I see him advising people on campus. Why should you be scared of somebody like that?
How will you know that Samuel is pretending to be humble?
Please tell me that he's a good person. Don't say negative about him.
I don't think so. Be careful. What I can say is be careful about Samuel.
There's no need of fighting about him. He's a good person. You don't need anyone to tell you that.
Be careful about Samuel. He's not that humble, as we see. That's what I can say.
It looks like a show.
I'm not threatening you. Just be careful about Samuel.
Sure.
See. Senior, please. For today, I beg you in the name of God. Please, for the past 3 days, no food. You are the only senior that I know I can approach. Please, with all due respect, please help me.
Sammy, there is an adage in Chi that goes like, "Akwala oboro ni no, enere abebesre o sakokosre." Do you understand that adage?
Yes.
What is abebonase?
Yes.
I can never make someone who does not belong to me survive on campus.
Senior Sammy, what you should know is nobody knows tomorrow, and the table can turn at any time.
When the table turns,
Just begging you for food, nothing else.
Sammy, to be honest with you, I'm not a bad person, but this is you are trying to paint me as a bad person.
Oh my God.
How can you come to a school like this? There's no way you can leave a different school and come here for a textbook, can you? No, answer me. Can you come from a different school to this school for a textbook?
It can sometimes happen.
It can never be. It can never happen.
Maybe there is a connection.
See, let me tell you something. If there should be a connection, then come and join me and let me feed you. That's all. If you want to live happily, protectively, luxury, enjoy anything that you want on campus, just come and join me, and that's all. You're making me feel like a bad person or something else. I mean, I can't help somebody who's not part of my camp. Simple.
For this one, it's very difficult for me
So
to take that decision. On the more serious note, it's very difficult because where I'm coming from and my background, we are not used to this kind of attitude. So, well, please, as for today, please, I beg you.
You are making me feel as if I do rituals. You are making me feel as if I do occult. I don't kill people. I don't kill fowls. I don't kill goats. It's just a movement. Just come and join the movement. When we move together. We survive together. I can't go and hustle with people and get money, hustle with people and get food stuff. I can't give it to you.
So, Senior, are you trying to say you are not going to give?
I'm not helping you if only you are not ready to join me.
You are not helping.
Go and think about it, Sammy.
Senior, you are not helping me. But you are the same person who told me to come to you anytime.
That is
Any
when
day.
Yes. That was then. And now I'm here opening stuff to you. How many people on campus have they even opened their secrets to you?
Senior,
I'm the only person.
thank you very much.
You're welcome, Sammy. Why you make me feel like a bad person? You came here individual and we live here individual. Don't come and express me. You have parents, call them. Come and get this small movement so that we will do one attack movement and feel okay on campus too. They want to 10 problem. You can't even see her like that too.